Today is that schools have reopened in several states from classes 9 to 12. In many of the states, schools reopening today after they were shut for COVID, and in the national capital as well. Delhi schools reopened for classes 9 to 12 with a bunch of special protocols meant to adhere to government necessitated coronavirus guidelines. However, the Delhi government has clarified that no student will be forced to physically attend classes, with several schools in the national capital also opting for a wait and watch strategy to see how the situation progresses before they call in all their students. Here's what some of the students had to say this morning. Well, let's now go across to Sonakshi for more. She joins us from the ASN school in Mayur Vihar. And Sonakshi, what's it been like? Were students excited coming back? Also a lot of protocols in place.
A very good morning to you, Gargi, and to our viewers, especially those in the national capital waiting to send their kids back to school after nearly 17 months. Remember, the schools were shut due to the COVID-induced pandemic. But visuals from a school here in Mayur Vihar, the ASN school, it's a private school here. Just a few minutes ago, as we were reporting that it was pouring heavily in the national capital, due to which we saw a few kids running into the school premises, quickly getting their thermal, their temperatures checked via thermal scanner and sanitize their hands, and we are here at the moment looking at the security guards and the staff ready to welcome them just a few minutes ago with those umbrellas in hands, welcoming students quite on a rainy morning. But joining me right now is the principal of the ASN school here, Miss Swarnima. Good morning, ma'am, and congratulations on your school reopening. I'm sure it's a happy feeling to see your campus cheerful, with those cheerful faces back.
Good morning, everyone. Really, it's quite welcoming that every child is so much happy to come to school. I'm so happy to see everyone here. It's a mesmerizing moment for all of us that we are welcoming the school, welcoming students in the school. Right. Otherwise, the way they were getting the teachers, they were teaching at home, even children, they were quite bored of about sitting at home and sitting in front of system. Now they're so much happy that they have to do something more with the teachers.
And what will be the protocols in place starting today? What will be the new normal? If you can describe that to our viewers, please.
Yes, yes, sure.
I can already see a sanitizing machine over there.
I see children, they are coming, and thermal screening is at the gate, and then after that sanitization of their hands, and after that the bags. Naturally, it's a rainy day, so I would say that even Indradev is quite happy today. The children, they are coming to school. I'm happy to see that. So after that, children, they are going in the classes, and in the class, near the class also sanitization is being done through the class teacher, and they are sitting in the classes, and then naturally all the COVID protocols are being spoken and they are being discussed, so that it's a reminder for every child to understand. And we're wearing a mask, that's a mandatory thing for each and everyone, and not to share their things. And they need to really bring their own lunchbox, no canteen facility with them today and for these days till the COVID protocol is being followed, and may God bless them.
So strict protocols in place. Yes. I want to also quickly ask you about the quarantine rooms that have now been specifically mentioned in the guidelines that schools and colleges should create an isolation facility. Do you also have it?
Yes, yes. It's a nice arrangement being done for all the students, although we have already instructed the parents also that if any child is facing any problem, he or she should not come to school. Right. But otherwise, the protocol, as per the protocol, room has been made.
Your last message to all the students waiting to come to school, thinking about it.
I feel the students, they are quite enthusiastic to come to school, so welcoming each one of you to the school, and happy learning and happy social emotional connect with all the teachers. Right. So welcome to each one of you. Thank you so much all the teachers and the parents for really cooperating in the times of pandemic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. So Gargi, those were the first reactions from a school here that has reopened after nearly 17 months for classes 9 to 12. But here, it's important to mention here that only a staggered amount of students will be coming here in batches. So only classes 9 and 11 have been invited today, and which is why the principal is also taking precautions to ensure that limited students come in limited batches, and then further, as per the guidelines, they will take the process further.
All right, Sonakshi, and a very enthusiastic principal there. Let's go across to Saurabh now. Saurabh, tell us about the school you're at, and what's it been like this morning, finally after over a year and a half schools reopening in Delhi.
Absolutely, Gargi. I am at a government girls secondary school in Mayur Vihar. It's a government school, and the students are the number is much more higher than the private schools, because this government school and Delhi government has allowed classes to reopen from 9th to 12th standard, and you can see it is still raining, but the children are coming and they are very happy. In fact, I spoke with the few children. They were very happy. They said that they are very excited. They are coming school after 1.5 years. I have joined by the vice principal of this school, ma'am. How are you feeling? You are seeing kids after 1.5 years, and what are the preparations and precautions you are taking?
I am feeling elated to see them back after 1.5 years. Though last year also I had tried too hard to bring them back in the school, and I think all the students, they are also cheerful. Are you cheerful in getting back to the school? Yes. So they were also very keen. They were very keen to attend the school, and today they'll be meeting their class teachers. Some new teachers have joined in my school, so even they are as much enthusiastic as I am.
What precautions are you taking?
Sir, the thermal screening has been done on the gate, as you can see, and the soap dispenser is there. Everything has been prepared, and moreover, the students will be sitting on the alternate desks. No student will be sitting, like 2 students will be sitting on one desk. There is an alternate arrangement in the desk, and there are 15 to 20 students who will be sitting in one classroom. And next, they will be sitting in the staggered manner. I have called only 6 sections today, 3 of class 9th and 3 of class 10th. And for the lunch also, I made the provisions of different timings for them. Like because they will tend to meet their friends, because they are seeing them after 1.5 years, so they are very much keen to meet them.
To meet their friends.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. So these are the students, and I've just met Riyash. Riya is drenched in the rain, but then too she is very excited. Gargi, she said that she told her mother that it rain what may, but she is going to school. कैसा लग रहा है? आप आगे भीग गए आज तो पूरा आप? हाँ, मम्मी ने मना नहीं किया?
मम्मी बोल रही थी नहीं जाना स्कूल, आज भीग जाएगा। नहीं मैम, मम्मी आज हमको जाना था, पहला दिन है हमारा, और छुट्टी कर लेंगे। इतनी छुट्टी कम थी जो आज छुट्टी कर लेंगे।
मतलब इतनी छुट्टियां कम थी, मम्मी से बोला कि आज छुट्टी कर लेंगे?
नहीं, मम्मी बोल रही थी इतना दिन, हमने कहा मम्मी इतना दिन तो छुट्टी पड़ ही गया था, आज भी छुट्टी करके क्या मिलेगा घर पे से बोरिंग होता था।
तो आप आए हो, एक्साइटेड हो कि अपने फ्रेंड से मिलोगे? आपका क्या नाम है?
काजल।
कौन सी क्लास में हो आप?
10th
में। 10th तो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स है, लेकिन आज आए हो, सारे दोस्तों से मिल रहे हो? अभी मिले?
नो सर, अभी तो कोई दोस्ती नहीं आए।
अभी दोस्त नहीं आए? कम लोग आ रहे हैं?
यस।
लेकिन आप तो खुश हो कि स्कूल आए हो 1.5 साल बाद? बहुत खुश हो। आज तो बारिश भी हो रही थी सुबह?
हाँ, बारिश हो रही थी बहुत ज़्यादा।
तब भी लगा कि नहीं स्कूल जाना है?
हाँ, बहुत दिन के बाद खुले, इसलिए स्कूल आना बहुत ज़रूरी था।
You've heard them, Gargi. They are very happy, these girls. In fact, government has clearly said that they cannot force parents to send their children. In fact, they have asked to give one self-declaration form where the parents will have to sign saying that their ward will follow all the COVID protocol. They will children will wear the mask. They will follow all the rules and regulations, and one quarantine room has already been there in every school. So as of now, children are very happy. Still raining, but still children are coming, and they are very happy that they are going to meet their friends and teachers. Gargi.
All right, Saurav, thanks so much for joining us with the teachers and students there. Let's listen to what some of the other students who are arriving in school have to say.
उत्साह तो है, लेकिन इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है, क्योंकि कोविड-19 इतना दिन पर दिन बढ़ रहा है अभी। लेकिन स्कूल खोल दिया है, लेकिन वही प्रिकॉशन के साथ खोलना चाहिए।
तो आपको लगता है प्रिकॉशन होगा?
अब आज देखेंगे, जाएंगे।
नहीं, अभिभावक को तो चिंता है ही, लेकिन बच्चों को जो स्कूल है उसके भविष्य में है, जैसे स्कूल ने कहा है, तो हम उसके लिए हमने जो है सो अपने बच्चों को लाया है। उसके भविष्य की चिंता तो है ही, लेकिन उसमें जो है सो अब जो कोविड में जैसे स्कूल ने खोला है, सरकार ने खोला है, तो उसमें बच्चों को ला रहे हैं। बच्चों को मना नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन सरकार को थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए। जब उन्होंने सब कुछ करा हुआ था कि नवंबर तक बंद है तो बंद रखना चाहिए, लेकिन जब खोल दिया है तो भाई रिक्श लेके भेज रहे हैं।
बहुत अंतर ऑफलाइन में, मतलब समझ आता, ऑनलाइन में उतना समझ नहीं आता। कोई लेता है, कोई नहीं लेता, पर ऑफलाइन में सभी स्कूल आएंगे, क्योंकि सभी को खुलने का जल्दी था, इसलिए।
डर तो है, लेकिन अब सावधानी तो बरतनी ही है। बच्चे खुद बरतेंगे, समझदार बच्चे हैं, होशियार है, अपना सैनिटाइजर मास्क लगाएंगे और आराम से अपना क्लास करेंगे, पूरा डिस्टेंस का रखेंगे ख्याल।